The power of a reassuring touch. A guide to understanding and using this compassionate gesture. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's simple yet profound in its implications. A reassuring touch. This phrase is rich in emotional and social nuances, making it a fantastic example of how language can capture the depths of human interactions. Stay with us as we explore what this phrase means, why it's important, and how you can use it in your everyday life. A reassuring touch refers to a gentle, comforting gesture made with the hand, usually on someone's shoulder, arm, or back. It's a way of communicating support, comfort, and solidarity without using words. This touch is meant to reassure the person on the receiving end that they are not alone, that they are understood, and that there is hope or support available to them. In many cultures, such physical gestures are a powerful form of emotional communication, transcending language barriers and expressing what words sometimes cannot. Non-verbal communication, like a reassuring touch, plays a crucial role in human interaction. It can convey empathy, establish trust, and strengthen relationships. In English-speaking cultures, and indeed many others around the world, non-verbal cues often carry as much weight as verbal communication. Understanding these cues can greatly enhance your ability to connect with others, making phrases like a reassuring touch essential to learn and recognize in context. Incorporating a reassuring touch into your interactions requires sensitivity and respect for personal boundaries. It's most appropriate in situations where someone is feeling anxious, sad, or distressed. Before offering a reassuring touch, ensure that your gesture will be welcome. This is especially important in cultures or with individuals for whom physical contact may not be the norm. When done with consent and empathy, a reassuring touch can be a powerful way to show support and kindness. Let's look at some examples where a reassuring touch might be used. Comforting a friend who has received bad news with a gentle pat on the back. Placing a hand over a loved one's hand during a difficult conversation to offer support. A teacher lightly touching a student's shoulder to encourage them when they seem discouraged. These scenarios highlight how a reassuring touch can be a meaningful gesture across different relationships and situations. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and significance of a reassuring touch. We hope this video has illuminated the power of non-verbal communication and inspired you to use compassionate gestures to strengthen your connections with others. Remember, a simple touch can communicate empathy, support, and understanding, bridging gaps that words alone cannot. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language and its nuances. Goodbye for now, and take care.